was just asking you to take my hand.
The best pie ever. Stressed me out so much. It's the most uninteresting thing in the entire world. Good morning, it is Monday, let's go on a road trip. I'm on my way to Perth. I've still got hours to go, so I need some company, so thanks. I've been driving for about 30 minutes and I'm already kind of bored, so that's not a good sign. I don't even know how well you can hear me right now.
Never really understood those till I suddenly owned underwear like that.
So I've just stopped for lunch at Badgingarra and I just got a chicken and cheese sandwich from the Roadhouse. But there's peacocks wandering around here, which is kind of cool. When my parents came to visit a while ago, my dad said that he had the best pie ever from this Roadhouse. So I went in there thinking I was going to go get a pie and have the best pie of my life. But they only had beef and mushroom left and I'm not a mushroom gal, so I just got a chicken and cheese sandwich. Hopefully it doesn't give me food poisoning, but yeah. I'm just gonna sit in my car, eat some lunch. I would say outside, but it's actually so hot today. My car says 27.5 and my phone says 26. Let's dig in. I also forgot a water bottle, so I had to buy plastic water, which isn't the best. And after not having like plastic water for a while, I can definitely taste like the plasticiness of the water. That's not a word. But yeah, it'll have to do for now. Looks pretty good. The chicken and cheese is nice, but the bread tastes so stale. This was $8 for a sandwich. Ridiculous. A peacock is just staring at me. They're so cute. I must say, road tripping with someone else is definitely more fun, but a little road trip by myself isn't too bad. I've had Tony and Ryan and you guys to keep me company, so I love that. I think for the next little part of this trip, I'm gonna listen to some music because I'm kind of over podcasts. I love my little collection of songs at the moment. Taylor Swift recommended this one, and I love it. It's called Vertigo by Griff. So good.
My hand, I will. And I wasn't asking for a lifetime. I was just asking you to take my hand.
Oh, I'm gonna be stuck behind a caravan.
You felt secure, that's called home.
Head southwest on Mar Drive towards National Route 1.
Currently balancing on my steering wheel right now, but I made it to Perth safe and sound. Many hours later. I got redirected so many times when I got into Perth because the maps was glitching and I was taking wrong turns, and cities are just not my strong point when I'm driving. I was getting very stressed, but I've been sitting in the car for about 10 minutes just calming down basically from the ordeal that we've just had. But I made it. I'm in a nearby car park to my friend's house, and she finishes work at 5, but I didn't want to be driving in Perth peak hour traffic because I know how I get with like city traffic. So it's 3:40 and she doesn't finish until like 5:30. So I think I'm just gonna sit in my car and read for a little bit and just relax, so I'm a nice person to be around for when I actually go to hang out with her. So that's what we're gonna do. My camera is not my friend today. Good morning, it is Tuesday. I'm about to drive into the Perth CBD. I'm really nervous. So my appointment's at 10 o'clock. It's currently 20 past 8 and Google Maps says it doesn't take very long to get into the city. So I am leaving quite early, but I don't know, my anxious little brain just like thinks I need to leave like 2 hours earlier because like I need to find a park. I need to make sure I know what building I'm going into. And yeah, I don't know, I'm a little bit stressed, but I think we'll be all right. Okay, I'll chat to you when I'm there. When I tell you that was one of the most stressful drives of my life, I am not even exaggerating. The layout of cities stress me out so much. I had a mild panic attack as I was driving, which was not ideal. And just all of the nerves that come with doing this appointment as well, I did not need that. I found a car park that's a 6-minute walk away from where I need to do this appointment, and I swear I had to go up like 10 levels. Like, I'm very high up in a car park right now, and the tiniest little spot was left. I'm like right next to one of those like cement poles. As I pulled in, like my bumper like scraped on this like long cement bit that's like on the ground, and like I tried to back up and it just kept scraping and scraping, and so if I back up any further I'm going to be in the middle of the aisle, and so I'm really nervous for when I come out of here. God, I just hate cities. Everything is so cramped, everything is so like, you need to know the area and you need to know the roads and you need to know the lanes that you have to get into. And as I was looking around as I was driving, I'm like, there is just so many people here. Like, this isn't even the biggest city in Australia. I think it might be like the 4th biggest or something. But oh, I don't know how people live in cities. If you live in a city, props to you, because this is hard. Anyway, I need to figure out how to get out of this car park. This is so stressful. Wish me luck. All went well. I feel like I was just stressing for nothing. And I got myself a cute little gingerbread hot chocolate on lactose-free milk, so we're gonna give it a taste. That is yum. Cities really stress me out. I don't like it here. Take me home. So I'm just at the servo. I've just filled up. I'm about to start my big trip back up home. And did I treat myself to 2 more things at the servo? Yeah. But did I also just do a really hard thing all by myself? Yeah. So I deserve it. Let's go. Alright, I need my directions to get out of this bloody CBD. I don't like cities. My speaker. God, road trips are so much easier with a second person. Thanks for coming with me on my little road trip. I'll chat to you later. Hopefully Cosmo runs up like he normally does. Hello! Hi, do I get cuddles? Don't go for my chippies. Hello! Hello! Hi! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? You want to go in the back? Okay. Hi. Hi, do you want to go out? Home sweet home. Hello. Cosmo is obsessed with my mouth because I've just been to the dentist. He just keeps sniffing my face. But long time no chat. It's only been a couple seconds for you guys. Cosmo, stop sniffing my mouth. It's only been a couple seconds for you guys, but for me it's been 3 days. I literally haven't spoken to you since Tuesday, so I've literally been the worst vlogger. But to be fair, my life has just been so incredibly boring. Like, all I'm doing is working and just doing really boring life admin stuff. Like, I've been back and forth from Perth, I've been back and forth from the post office, I've been to the dentist, I have to like change all of our bills to like a different card. Like just the really boring life stuff that you just have to do, but like who wants to watch that? So yeah, I went and got a few photos printed at Kmart today, which was kind of fun. So now we have another little frame under the telly, which is cute. I've just finished a shift and gone and done a few bits and pieces, so yeah, I'm feeling so good about my teeth though. Oh, there's something just so good about that dentist clean feeling. Like it sucks when you're in it. Thanks, bud. It absolutely sucks when you're in it, but like afterwards, oh, you've literally just never felt better. I don't know, something about it. I love it. I really have nothing else to say here. Oh my god, actually I do have something to show you. It's outside. Hey Cosmo, do you want to go outside? Let's go outside. This is so exciting. Okay, let's go. So a few weeks ago, I planted this strawberry plant. Look at this. First little strawberry. It's so small, but how cute. While I'm outside, I also really want to show you how well my pumpkins are doing. I only noticed that they were like this like a couple days ago, so it's so exciting. It's grown like a whole ass vine. How fun is that? Like there's no veggies on it yet, but it's literally a whole vine. That is so cool. Also, if you watched a few vlogs ago, you would have seen me doing like hours worth of weeding, and it's literally all grown back. And it hasn't even been like a week or two. And literally the whole garden is just full of weeds, and I'm over it. Like I spend so long, and weeding is hard, like especially when they're hard weeds to pull. Like literally look at all those weeds again. Like it's literally just never ending. Do you want to show everyone what you just tried to bring inside? Can I see it? What is this? This is from the garden. Yeah, go outside with that one, thank you. But basically the highlight of my day was getting a goodie bag from the dentist, so that says a lot about my day. But I am hungry because it's 3:10 and I haven't had lunch. I just have ingredients, I just don't have meals. I'm literally looking at 2 eggs, half a tomato paste, a block of cheese, and dog food. I also really want to get into the habit of like refilling ice at every chance I get, because it's coming into summer. Well, it's not coming into summer, it's like it's 10 days out of winter and it's already like really heating up. And so I always want to make sure we have ice on hand. We use like a whole tray per drink, so it's like kind of hard to keep track of. I really need to think of more interesting things to talk about. I'm literally talking about ice. Like that is the most uninteresting thing in the entire world. I'll come back to you when I have something fun to say. So this might be the end of the vlog, but maybe I'll have something interesting to say by the end of the week. I don't know. It's currently Sunday. We've just gotten back from a really nice breakfast out, and now we're just going to do a whole bunch of gardening and prepping the yard, because next weekend we're actually putting our fence up, which is very, very exciting. We're so excited to have like a high fence so no one can see in, no one can jump over. That'll be really good. So today's just going to be a whole bunch of like clearing all of the grass, clearing all of the weeds that just keep growing faster than I can pick them. Sorry this vlog hasn't been the most exciting week, but that's just reality. Like it hasn't been an exciting week, it's just boring life admin stuff. And I know I said last week that I would do a little product reveal, but I'm scared. I'm really scared. I think I might do it next week. Yeah, I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I will show you next week. I'm scared. Okay, so I thought that was gonna be the end of the vlog, but I'm proud of my little weeding piles. Let me show you. This pile. So I'm definitely getting there, but there are just so many weeds everywhere. They're literally never ending. We also cut down half of our tree, and there's literally stuff everywhere. Anyway, we're gonna take all this to the tip, and this is officially the end of the vlog, and I will see you next week. Bye.